Hi guys, ready to learn more kanji? This video will be about these kanji characters. Okay, so let's start. First character is a character for a mountain. Yama. Okay. So, here we go. Top to bottom. Then a single stroke here. And then here. Got it? Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. This means mountain. Yama. Okay. Now let's do river. So 3 strokes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's try it again. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let me do it just one more time. It's kind of just first one, just still a little bit as you go down. 1, and then the other one's pretty much straight. Kind of same spacing in between. This is river. Kawa. Okay. Now let's do the character that's part of the word Genki, which means feeling good, excited. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can pronounce that. One way to pronounce this gen, as in Genki. The meaning could mean origin. Okay, now let's do the character for ki in Genki. And that is character very commonly used. It means kind of like spirit. Now let's do the character that means spirit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now the character for heaven. One, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's do the character for the pronoun I, watashi. Probably know that word. Okay. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7. We do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Now another character, the character for now, Yama. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 2, 3, 4. Oops. This is one single stroke. The last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Sorry about my board. Kind of dirty now. Alright, so let's proceed. To rice field. Rice. Let me try another color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Got it? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright. It's kind of like a box, and you divide it into 4 parts. That's the character for rice field. Okay, it's okay to tilt the sides a little bit, but you don't have to. You can just make it straight if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just a note about this character, the stroke order. If you ever learn Chinese or you are Chinese, might notice that I'm doing the Chinese do stroke order kind of different for it's specific for this character and other characters. Like the order as you go after this stroke, Chinese would do like this. But the Japanese, they do vertical first in this case. That's something I have noticed when I studied Chinese, and I looked it up online and did some research, and I noticed that. So I'm gonna stick with the Japanese way, okay? But if you're Chinese and you learn the other way, that's okay as well. Now for character for woman or female, okay? This is one single stroke. 2, 3. Let me try it again. I kind of did it more off to that bottom left side. So 1, 2, 3. If you notice, kind of like this part here is kind of supposed to be kind of parallel to that part. So that's how I remember how to exactly position these. Kind of parallel, and you kind of line up in the same area, so it kind of gives a feeling of completeness and harmony. And then you close it. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This character appears a lot as a compound, as a radical. So how about the opposite sex, man or male? Again, in this character, we're going to use the radical for rice field that we have learned previously. So remember, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then do that. Got it? This bottom radical is means strength, force. So it's like strength in a rice field. Okay, that means a man. Okay. Well, let's go on. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, one little stroke and put a hook there, and from there you drag it here. Cool, huh? Get another eraser here. Now let's do the character to see. That means to see. Basically, this character has a radical for eyes and some kind of legs, so it's like to see. Alright, so let me draw my square quickly. Just to reference. I'll do it in green now, okay? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So pretty much this is the radical for eyes. Very similar to sun, but there's three parts, not 2 parts. And then you put some legs kind of thing. This character is part of the verb to see. Miru, it's pronounced mi. Like you would say miru, to see. Okay, I'll do it one more time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. To see. Let's keep going. Now for the character to go. Verb to go is ik. With this character it'll be ik. Let's try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kind of a hook at the end. Did it too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got it? Okay. Now the verb to eat uses this character. 1, 2, 3. Kind of went a little bit off the square, I'm sorry. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. This part here, you don't have, you can put it straight, that's okay as well, but you have to tilt a little bit. But always tilt to that side, like this. We could just do a little bit like that, or just put it like, okay, one more time for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Notice this is a whole character here, and then you put this one, and then you finalize with that. Means to eat. It's part of the verb taberu, to eat. Okay. This one, taberu. Finally, we're gonna finish this video with the character to drink. Kind of similar to the character to eat, in a way that the radical in the character to drink is actually to eat. So kind of, you will see right now. So start off with the left hand side of the character. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very similar to eat, right? And then continue. 9, 10, down. Do it one more time. Two. Okay, so let's discuss this character a little bit. So this is basically very similar to eat, except the last part here, you just have this stroke going down and you close it like that, right? There's not, because the to eat is like this. You got to do that, right? So in this case, there's no this character here. And this character here, you notice, you learn it as a person. Right? So that's a good way to keep in mind. So you learn the characters that you're gonna see the radicals over and over again. So a good way to remember. I'll try one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This part here, again, you can tilt a little bit, or you can just put like that, but straight, or can tilt like that. That side. Okay. Thank you for watching. That's it for this video. Kanji is fun, isn't it? I like kanji. It's cool. Pretty nice. Alright, so if you like my videos, please subscribe and keep on practicing. I suggest to practice each character, write it 3 times, taking care to remember each stroke. Write it slowly, don't rush, and use square paper. Try to make the characters centered within the square and fitting uniformly. Thank you for watching. 頑張ってくださいね。